Everyone, it is Jan here from Jan C Art. Welcome back to my channel. I am finally getting around to posting a video of one of the pieces that I did in Britta Clayton's class at the Floetrol experience in Seattle at the end of April. And if you just check right now, there'll be a little face popping into my frame. It is the wonderful Cathleen Osmore. She was helping out in the class, and here she is. And this is just to show you that if you wait until the end of this video, there will be a longer bit with Cathleen being her funny self. So stick around for that. It's really funny. It cracks me up every time. Back to the painting. This is the cloud pour with swipe, where you basically put the pour paint, the pour makes the white down, and you put the colors around the white, and then you swipe the colors over the white, which generates some awesome cells. And then afterwards, when you tilt it, you can of course change the composition. And again, after having tilted it, you then start working it with the palette knife. I know that Britta does that a lot. She was inspired for this by Molly. Molly does not swipe with the palette. Oh, sorry, she swipes, but she doesn't use the palette knife after to change the composition. But Britta does that. Go check her out. She does a lot of amazing paintings. It was a lot of fun to be in her class, and it was even more fun to have Cathleen as the helper, because Britta and I were actually helping Cathleen in her classes, but the roles were swapped in this class. That was a lot of fun. Stick around for Cathleen's little cameo, and I hope you enjoy this video. I will be posting another one with the second piece that I did, which I really like a lot. I do love this one as well. Both turned out really great. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to bring them home with me because they were wet. I did them on the last day and had to go back to Europe after. So sadly, they didn't get home with me. But enjoy the video, and I'll see you soon.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. But drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild. Catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or that.
Back in the day, my parents thought taking art was stupid.
It's recorded.
So I wasn't allowed, so I don't know anything about, or no chemistry.
And like Sarah Taylor's class, she paints with a base coat of house paints that day. And it does, makes fun things happen.
Yeah. There she is.
Well, thank you. You don't need to do that for me.
Well, I need something to do.
Okay.
Giving up my Sarah Taylor class.
Oh. I feel for you.